This man has got serious flying experience. Over 5,000 hours of aerobatic and formation flight. Maybe Chuck Dramamine can take some lessons from him. Look at how he takes that thing up. Uses a combination of stick, rudder, and engine rotation. It's beautiful, isn't it, Roseanne?
Absolutely beautiful. Now, what is it that causes the color change?
It is a special paint scheme that Bill has on his plane. If you watch it right now, you'll see it change color as he pulls up and as the light angle changes on the airplane. Bill's been performing at air shows since 1995 all across